Hi, everyone. So I'm here to just go over the math with you today. So today, if we remember, we did partial sums addition. Okay. And we're also using the skill we used yesterday with estimation. Okay. All right. So let's look at number three. We did number one and two together in class today. So let's look here at number three. This one says 378 and then plus 439. Okay. So we need to think of numbers that are close to 378 that are easier to add for our estimation. So we can think, is 378, that's pretty close to, is it close to 300 or is it close to 400? I'm going to go with 400 because 378 is pretty close. And if you need to draw a number line like we used to, okay, here you go. You can put it right here. 378 is right here. So it is closer to 400. Okay. And then the next one is 439. So if I were to do this and this was 400 and 539 would be right about there. So it would be 400 plus 400, 4 plus 4, 800. Okay. And then what I need you to do is I like to write mine vertically. You have to figure out the exact answer also. But remember, we're taking apart the number. So we're going to look at our hundreds place. So my first hundreds place is 300 plus 400. Okay. Then I'm going to go to my tens place and I have 70 plus 30. Okay, and then my ones place, I have 8 plus 9. Okay, then you add these up. So 300 plus 400 is 700. 70 plus 30, oh, that's 100. And then 8 plus 9, that is 17. And then you add these answers together. So we have 700 plus 100 plus 17. And this makes things a little bit easier for you for adding. Yes, you have three numbers, but you have lots of zeros. So 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 1, and then 7 plus 1 is 8. So here's my exact precise answer at 817. And then here's 800. Is that pretty reasonable and close? Yes, they are. Okay. So your home link is exactly the same thing that we just did. Okay. So you're going to do that for all four of these problems. Okay. So you're going to do your estimation. There we go. So I have 245. Is that closer to 200 or 300? I'm going to say 200. Is 92 closest to 90 or 100? I'm going to say 90 for this one. Okay. Or you could, I mean, it's up to you. Try that, and then you'll be able to see if it's reasonable. So for this one, I don't have a second hundreds place. So it's just the only one is 200. I don't have anything to add to it. So it's 200 plus 0, really. Okay. The other ones will all have two hundreds places. Okay. So then I'm going to do 40 plus 90 because here's my tens place. And then my ones place was 5 and 2. 5 and 2. So you're going to add these together. So I have 200 here, 40 plus 90. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus the 0. So plus 130. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then you're going to add this together. So 0 plus 7. 3 plus 0. And then 2 plus 1, 337. And this would be 290. That's pretty close. Okay. If you were like 200 off, then it wouldn't be reasonable. So I want you to do that same thing over here. Do your estimate first and then split up the hundreds, tens, and ones and then add them together. Okay. You're going to do that for number 2, number 3, and number 4.